just got my groceries and I wanted to know if anybody else is like me. So my nearest Walmart is about 45 minutes from my house. 45 minutes depending on traffic. But instead of me stopping to get something to eat, and y'all know I didn't eat, I grabbed coffee on the way out this morning. I snuck to the back after she put my groceries in and I grabbed a snack. And I wanted to show y'all, this is one of the cutest little things. It was supposed to be on sale and it ended up not being on sale and I still got it, so it's not a big deal. But this is so cute, and if you have to bring something for like a little get together, these would be adorable. But look at these. So they have these little mini charcuterie boards. So I'm going to be a little bit extra bougie, and this is going to be my snack on the way home. But y'all, aren't those adorable? Especially like if you want to make some mini little skewers, like Halloween's coming up. You could do so many cute little things with that. Okay, y'all, so we're going to take all our groceries in and get them packed away. But a follow-up review of this. Do not get it. The cheese is awful. Like, it's a mix of pepper jack and provolone, but they are awful. And the salamis, which is usually my favorite part, taste like perfume. So I don't know how they sealed it or what they did, but this is a flop. Like, it was super cute, and the idea is wonderful. Makes you feel a little bougie without breaking the bank, but it's awful. No, man. Okay, y'all. Time to get the food in the crock pot so we can have it ready for dinner this evening while we get the house cleaned up and the chores done. So today we're having bacon and ranch chicken sandwiches, and it's all going in the slow cooker. We're going to cook it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. I did make bacon in my Ninja Foodi this morning, so that's why it looks dirty, but there's still a little bit of bacon grease and flavor down in the bottom of it. If you don't have a Ninja Foodi or an air crisper and slow cooker in one, then just make your bacon ahead of time. You don't have to have the grease and things from that, but it makes it one pot, and that's all I have to clean. I have about a tablespoon of minced garlic down in the bottom. I'm going to add in a very large chicken breast. Whenever I bagged it up, it weighed about a pound. And then I'm going to add in 3 chicken thighs. So I like to mix my thighs and breast in this. I just feel like it makes it a juicier, softer chicken. But you don't have to. You just need about 2 pounds of chicken, and breast will work just as well. Or all thighs if you want. I'm adding in 2 blocks of cream cheese. And then we're going to do about 3 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. 3 to 4. We'll do 3 today. If you're using the packets of ranch, then just 1 or 1 to 2 packs, depending on flavor level. Sometimes the chicken is very flavorful, and I only end up using like 2 to 3 tablespoons, but lately I've been finding chicken just doesn't have the same flavoring that it used to, so I'm using more. About a cup of cheddar cheese, shredded up. And that's it. You don't even have to mix it or anything. We're going to let it cook on low. I'll come back in about 2 to 3 hours whenever it starts really creaming everything, and I will mix it around. But it's ready. We'll finish the ending part of it later on this evening. So let's go get the yard mowed. Okay, y'all. Lawn is all mowed. Now, time to get in and shower and clean up and all of that. But first, I'm coming back here to let out the chickies because they love whenever the grass is freshly cut. It picks up all the little crickets and everything, and it makes it so much more accessible to them. Oh, yeah, see my patchy, sandy grass for a lot of this. We put down a lot of seed and everything this summer, and none of it took. I don't know if it's just because we didn't really get any rain or what, but the rest of it looks pretty good. Right, we're walking back here. We're gonna let these chickies out, go shower, let them have some fun while we get cleaned up. There we go. And just like that, they're out. I feel like it's super late for this, but I'll show y'all. Found one. And we come over here and found another one. So we'll see if those actually turn into watermelons. Hey y'all. So it's all done. I took the chicken out, I shredded it up, put it back in, and I just mixed it all together. And you see I crumbled up about 10 slices of bacon in it as well. Those are from the bacon that I made this morning. And now we're just going to toast up our buns, slice up some lettuce and tomato and things, and make our sandwiches. But super simple, super yummy, and delicious. Oh, thank y'all for joining us today, and we will see y'all next time.